Hello everyone, my name is Victor and welcome to your plant lab. Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que tout va bien. Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. 你们好，我想你们都好了。The name of this beautiful Cattleya is RLC Husky Boy Michael. It is a cross of BLC Evergreen and LC Orchids Glow. The abbreviation RLC represents Rhyncholalia cattleya. Sorry if I wasn't able to say that right. Plus Laelia plus Cattleya, that makes it RLC. BLC represents Brassivola plus Laelia plus Cattleya. And the LC represents Laelio Cattleya. I think this plant is about like 20 months under my care since I purchased this from an orchid show in Calgary. It has thrown about 5 new pseudobulbs then, and I think within 20 months, if you would calculate that, this plant might give off a new pseudobulb every 3.33 months. As you can see, the pseudobulbs would end up with a flower in the history of its growth, except for those 2 pseudobulbs that are spindly. It happened when I was staying in an apartment, and that apartment has a north-facing window. This plant didn't get enough light for it to grow properly, so yeah. But after that, when I have this grow light, it has maximized its potential growing, so it's been happy ever since. If you could see this 2 buds here, it's kind of weird, isn't it? Because in this spike, the last 2 flowers would open up first before the 2 proximal buds. And this is the nature of this Cattleya as well. So I've been growing this Cattleya under artificial lights for 12 hours a day. It doesn't really necessarily require sunlight at this point. And I've been planting this ever since in peat moss in a 5-inch pot. If you can see, the height of this orchid is about like, say, 7 inches high. And that would translate to about like 18 centimeters. And the flowers doesn't really open up fully. This is the nature of the flowers itself. If you would expand the flower and measure them, probably you're gonna measure to like 8 centimeters or about like 3.5 inches in diameter. And this plant is very easy to grow. It's not picky really. All you have to do is just water it once every week, perhaps, or twice every week. And it benefits from a very low concentration fertilizer designed for orchids. It's just, this kind of fertilizer that I use requires just about like 5 drops per 1 liter of water, and is very economical. If you look closely on the quality of the flowers, the petals are yellow, and the sepals has an orangey flush on it, and then the lip has a very rich red coloring. I hope that the camera has given justice to this flower because it looks better in person, actually. The flowers perhaps could last, I think, about 2.5 weeks. And if you would imagine, like every 3.33 months, you're gonna get a set of these flowers, it's worth the wait. And this is a very nice Cattleya that can fit a very small space because this is very compact. And I failed to mention that this Cattleya is called a Unifoliate Cattleya because it's only giving off 1 leaf per pseudobulb, which is a Cattleya that I really like because it's easier to predict the flowering, because I have some bifoliate Cattleyas that are still under experiment and they haven't bloomed for me. But the unifoliate Cattleyas, they're very successful under artificial lights, if you want to know about that. Yeah. So I think this is just it for today. Thank you for viewing this video, and I hope you're going to learn more about how to take care of this Cattleya. I would recommend this, highly recommended. So I hope you can be able to purchase this online or something. I don't sell Cattleyas or even any orchids that I have here. It's just for my own personal pleasure at the moment. But you'll never know. All right, then, thank you. And may you have a great day. And I hope that you'll be able to press the subscribe button and, put some comments If you have something to share in this video, I'll be greatly appreciative of that. But thank you for dropping by to your plant lab. May you have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.